Good morning, my dear students. Now, today we're trying to learn how to read, think, and solve and work with the story problems. How to read each sentence and convert it into an equation or understand the information that is given in order to solve properly and find out the correct solution. So, let's try to take some examples here. Number 1. John rode 13 kilometers on his bike. His sister rode 9,000 meters on her bike. Who rode the farthest? So first of all, I knew that John rode 13 kilometers. The second thing is that his sister rode 9,000 meters. Now, in order to compare between two different distances, they have to be in the same unit. So the question was, who rode the farthest and how much farther did this person ride? So to change from kilometers to meters, we will do what? We will multiply by 1000. So I will change the distance that John rode from kilometers to meters. So I knew that he rode 13 kilometers. I will multiply it by 1000. So it will give me 13,000 meters. So now I know that John rode 13,000 meters and his sister rode 9,000 meters only. So who rode more is John. That's number 1. Now, how much more did he ride? So here I remember, in order to know how much more, I will subtract. So I want the answer once in kilometers and once in meters. So first I will make the meters because we already converted it into meters. So I know now that he rode 13,000 minus 9,000 meters, which is equal to 4,000 meters. At the same time, we know that the 4,000 meters are equal to 4 kilometers. In order to change from meters to kilometers, we divide by 1,000. So I will remove number 2. I cross out 3 zeros. If Sarah peeled 6 kilograms of potatoes, her brother peeled 7,543 grams of potatoes as well. Who peeled more? Again, in order to compare, I have to change one of them to the other's unit. So I will change Sarah's kilograms into grams. Now, we all know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So the 6 kilograms are equal to 6,000 grams. So now I knew that her brother peeled more than her because he peeled 7,543 grams, although she peeled only 6,000 grams. Now, the second question. What's the difference between the potatoes Sarah peeled and her brother in grams? So the difference again means that I will subtract and I will know the difference between both of them by subtracting both amounts. So her brother peeled more than her by 7,543 minus 6,000 grams equal to 1,543 grams. Next one. Lara cuts 1,664 meter ball of string into 4 equal sized lengths. How many centimeters long was each length of string? So I want to cut this length of string into 4 equal parts. Remember, when I want to divide something into 4 equal parts, I will divide. So I will divide the 1,664 meters by 4. Remember the long division? Here's my dividend, and here's my divisor, and we will move step by step. Now, can I divide the 1 by the 4 and give me a whole number? No. So I will take the help of the 6. Now I have 16. 16 divided 4 is equal to 4. Write it up in the quotient. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. We write it down, then I subtract. Then I'll bring down the next number, which is the 6. Now, what is the nearest number in the table of the 4 to the 6? It's the 4. Yes. So how many 4's inside the 6 do I have? Only 1. I'll write the 1 up in the quotient, multiply this 1 by the 4 and write it down. Then I subtract. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, and I bring down the 4. Now I have 24. 24 divided 4, it's equal to 6. Write the 6 up, multiply the 6 by the 4, it will give me 24. Subtract, it's a 0. So 1664 divided by 4 is equal to 416 meters. In order to change the meters into centimeters, we should remember that every 1 meter has 100 centimeter. So the 416 meters, I will multiply them by 100 to give me 41,600 centimeters. Next example. Kim's baby drinks 3 liters of milk daily. Every day the baby drinks 3 liters of milk. How many milliliters of milk he drinks in a month? We all know that 1 month is equal to 30 days. And in every day he drinks 3 liters. So he drinks in a month 30 times 3, which is equal to 90 liters. Now I need to change the 90 liters into milliliters. We should remember that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So the 90 liters, I will have to multiply them by 1000 to give me 90,000 milliliters. So now we remember the baby drinks 3 liters a day, 90 liters a month, 90,000 milliliters a month. Now, part B. If his elder sister drinks 5 more liters more than him in a month, remember, the baby drinks in a month 90 liters, and she drinks 5 more, so she drinks 95 liters a month. Now, how many liters does she drink in a year? We all know that 1 year has 12 months. So she drinks 95 liters times 12 months, which is equal to 1,140 liters a year. And that's it for today. Thank you so much.